In 2020, the pilot of the National Pork Board Sustainability was thought to get real data, real information on real farms. So I got approached and I says, absolutely, I will try this and I will get some information and see where we go on our real farm. The main things that they were tracking was greenhouse gas, carbon sequestrations, erosion factors, water quality, and now it's involved into electric and other things that they are going to maybe track at some point as we go to 2023. 3 years later.
That's a lot. You've got a lot of information. Tell me why you need this information. I know why consumers are interested in it, but tell me why this matters to you.
Living in Northeast Iowa, everybody talks of the impaired waters. I like to fish, trout fish, and fish in general in my spare time. So I found a study years ago, Lori, that Northeast Iowa, there was, in the 80s, there was 3 naturally reproducing trout streams. The last study that I saw on the Iowa DNR page that there was up to 50 naturally reproducing trout streams.
Wow.
So in that study that I read, it basically stated farmers had to have gotten better due to manure storage structures, erosion factors, erosion basins and terraces and stuff to help clean the water so the dirt's not getting to the water. Other concepts to do sustainability are National Pork Board's study to see how the erosion factor is on the real farm, where the tons of soil, so it's not getting away from the farm. So the fertility is practiced right. So the soil samples are done correctly. Big picture type of deal that as the farmer goes.